Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Hey guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa. Remember guys, on the 5th, they are meeting with Judge Rata, a defense, obviously, I mean, Gaza Sali, George Baloy, uzobe ekona inside the state, hlezi silapho. So, the question though is, are they gonna come to an agreement, a right? Is Mnisi going to continue representing who accused number one? Is he going to do it? This is the question. Like we're just asking ourselves, although I'm hoping it does continue. Like I said, I don't want a new person for who accused number one. This was a good choice. Just now, there's just a lot of things around in Toyake. Representing accused number one, I worry about that every time. Is it even going to happen now on the 19th? But my question is that on the 5th of May, on Monday, are they going to tell us after their meeting what's going to happen on the day? That's the question right now. Guys, it's important to everything that happened there at that court, Kasenzo Meyiwa's trial, that is dissected now, bits by bits, because stuff is coming out now. Stuff we could see. I know Steyn lied a lot, guys. Steyn, I've said it in many of my videos about him. That guy who moved to George after he retired. And he had actually retired. He didn't even want to come to court. Everything he said there was cooked and manufactured. We manufactured Conalap in George when he refused to come. I'm retired. Ukhosi ezeke azomkhulumela. Ukhosi ke is like the West. You will never lie like Ukhosi. And then when he's told to go to no Ukhosi, there's nothing like this. He gets angry and agitated as quite a song in that courtroom. So nje umukhano nomukhali babhizi in the Fortuna bashaya untanzi bamenza izinto babe baphike basakatha bamthinta untanzi bona. So untanzi made that up ukuthi wayichubiwa evalwe ikhanda la ithelwa ngamanzi. Why must he make that up? The Fortuna that goes the whole night, the whole day on end ingami imoto yakhona ihlala ihambe ibime, I guess, and then they'll do stuff to him. The lie is there. And those AVL reports amanga khona uRatha uyathi yamaphi eParaquanati ngiyakwazi lapho yayime khona uRatha. Guys, I'm just like, everything yaphekwa. Awuzwa ngithi, how I put it every time is that uBrigadier Bongani Kinindi, he sat down and coached oMokgadi noMokgadi ukuthi this is how you're going to say it. Ngehlulwa thina abantu, we've been in the game forever, like baoba those lawyers and advocates. When we get there, this is why one of the Mohano no Mukhali, the lady there, look to Ubiangat Ujola Nokino, she's been seen in court writing notes. The way she was so rude there at court, yes, she took other directions. I had never seen anything like that. And my thing is that every time Mokwata a church, Mokwata a court udinwe and be agitated and be irritable and all sorts of things. This is why. There's no other reason. Why are you getting angry if you are telling the truth? And that whole thing, Yoguti, they were intruders in that house. So why are you getting angry? What I like about this duo, Unjepsi, the real mastermind, or Patricia Mashale, in exposing what has been going on in that court room, Senzo Meyiwa, his trial. What I like about them is that they have proof of stuff. that they're talking about, including I'm actually gonna put it here, where Patricia Marshall in October was speaking to the late Advocate Thulani Mngomezulu. Proof. Finally, when it comes to the AVL things, they don't really have proof, but they have narratives. This makes sense. Why were these guys lying? You can see with these AVL reports were cooked. Iyabona guys, mase kuza kwinhlukumezo yamaphoyisa uNtanzi ne accused number 2 kanye no accused number 1 uMuzi. I think they went through the most. Yabona, now I was listening to Ntanzi talking ehamba namaphoyisa where he was left with uMabhena and uplo uMabhena namhlanje akasekho. Phela la mawuqala ukukhuluma indaba yasuswa. Yeah, I don't want to get into Mabhena's thing because I had done this video. How he even noma delete noma pastor lalela, can we just do other things right now? Ukusabisa kanjani kule case? Uthi he was sitting with Mabhena, abantu bangena ngaphakathi uMokgani noMokgali at the police station there in Rustenburg. Uyasho ukuthi mina ngiyazi nokuyazi ukuthi njani leyo police station, and then mabeqeda lapho sebethi mina ngibengiphethe inhlamvu. I'm like nesibhamu, angithi vele uNtanzi was now dubbed as a mastermind, sibeke kanjalo, and then kabilizer yeyibhamu ne mase kufanele bambonisa inhlamvu zeyibhamu that they took from la ihlala khona. To this day we've never seen them. Uyabona guys ukuthi sometimes cooking and manufacturing stuff, you are going to be caught in the long run, because what happens is that amangakho abamafishane abaninyawo ezincane, and then inyawo zisheshe khathala mazincane kakhulu, they need to walk. They're gonna walk. Wrong into enzo Brigadier Gininda guys. He must just let these guys go, honestly. So ke sime kancane ngendaba yama AVL reports nokuthi vele they were actually fabricated, because uNtanzi nayo accused number 1, they do mention ukuthi that Fortuna will just stop in the middle of nowhere, bashawe bachubwe bathelwe ngamanzi benze all sorts of things. Guys, you know what, this is why uNtanzi wazobashwabulela wathi uNkulunkulu futhi wayengabashwabuleli. That's exactly what's going to happen. Must no Jesu washo esiphambaneni ukuthi abaxolelwa abantu ngoba bazazi ukuthi bonile abaziboni, you know, in a way. I'm just like trying to explain it. So naye uNtanzi did say ukuthi yazini konke sengikubeka uNkulunkulu mina. People can't just decide like this about my life ukubona and they get away with it. Basically that's what he was trying to say. Mazuzubuka ke yakhe icase uyibeka kanjalo. So sima kancane lapha. I just wanted to add nje a few things, and thank you for the comments. And kunale comment, it's not the first time, almost the same comment from you guys. Amasabizo amahle, it comes again daily lo yokuthi, you know what, in that court kudlala umuthi in natural science njengoba ishilo uMngomezulu ukuthi njengoba ngishilo kule video before this one ukuthi uMngomezulu did mention ukuthi you know what, if it means isambilisa lesi sangoma in natural science sizosichazela kahle ukuthi bafika laphana uLongwe uZandile Khumalo noMaka Kelly uNtomzodwa bezu consulta, and then they were actually cleansed there. So one of the subbies la, my beautiful subbies, did mention ukuthi you know what, so khuluma sizisikhathana lapha kuhlafunwa umuthi nje basically. Hey, I was just like, what? Sesasho njalo. I wanted to add lento ukuthi angazi uma nibonile ku social media ukuthi uKelly, remember I said about a week ago ukuthi usanda lento le ukuthi nje not necessarily venting, but she should just go online akhulume nje izinto. That's what she does nje actually manje mostly, you know. So now she went to say ukuthi hayi ngiyazi masukuthi ngesangoma went for my initiation last day ngaqeda, and I was certified and all of that, and now I'm actually a full-on spiritual healer. Angifuni ukuthi sangoma because it looks like lento yakhe futhi is sophisticated, I guess, because unane pamphlet there that says ukuthi utholakala phi and all of that, and how her spiritual journey basically is going. Uyasho ukuthi intwaso is something that happens forever basically. It's a journey. You don't just nje uthi hayi no sengithwasileke manje I'm actually done. Remember I even said beginning of the year ukuthi I just feel ukuthi mina lento yakhe yobungoma it's not legit. Uzama nje ukuvala lento leyo ukuthi kwenzeka lento yasenzomeyo. I don't think it's something. Basically nje it's just a cover up for her ukuthi I feel better. But then again I'm just like, you know what, let me not judge her. It could be legit and genuine and angingeni nowhere. The only thing that remains here is we've just been asking for Senzo's justice. This is all. And I remain with the fact that uKelly Khumalo, uNtomzodo, nosisi wakhe, ngokwami ngiyababona uMtho and them, ne? And other people who are in the house in Holongwe. These three ladies. Mina, my thing is that they are the only people ebekufanele basitshele kahle what happened to Senzomeyiwa, and they know. And it's not fair that they go on like this for years without telling us what happened to Senzomeyiwa. So esibeke lapho guys for today. Like I had said ukuthi mina for me ibona fanele bazi. Bathi bazo testify laphana like how uMngomezulu had said ukuthi yena ufuna bona kuphela, including Longwe. Yena for him that's all. I mean omunye umuntu angengeni nawe yasimdingi masisubuka. But half of SAPS, like I've been saying, has come to court to testify about into abangayazi. Gilinda's entourage oMogola Mogon bese kuzoba lo baba lo uZungu no baba ku Absalomu nama things we didn't need. And we've had to drag and drag for 10 years for nothing. Yeah, so ngizoyingime lapho kancane. So be futhi siqhubeke later ngezinye indaba. And mostly indaba sithatha kuma comments manje. Ukuze uMzansi is watching and uMzansi uyabona. Ukuthi abantu bathule ngoba babona ukuthi this is actually hogwash. You know? Bese ezinye indaba futhi ke sesixoshe, especially lezi ama AVL sithathe lapho nazo. Patricia Mashale iduo le and Njabulo uNjebs. And uNjebs, he actually reminds me of Usipho Ramusipile. He's so good with these things, so AVL and all of that. He was breaking it down, guys. It's fake. It was made up. It was fabricated. This thing. Yeah, these guys moving around this fortune. Accused number 1, accused number 2. Among talent, thing I exist. Like I said, at the end of the day, guys, who can in that thing just wake up? What pants? Why? But it's just now. Now and then, amanzi ayaphuma eplastikini ngoba nginembobo. That's all. So ngibeka lapho for now. Thank you so much, guys. Ngithanda over and thank you for helping me grow this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you. So uNjebs again, no mastermind, Patricia Mashale, when they were analyzing the AVL reports, and what exactly happened when Mogano were driving that car. Mabena comes out of that whole situation. You would see wafike Moroka. How could he have Moroka police station? When Moroka police station is in Soweto, how could he have spent 4 hours inside the police station? He's just there to fetch the keys. Guys, it has been established by Unjebs Kanye Patricia Mashale ukuthi the AVL reports that Brigadier Kininda and his entourage Mogola no Mogano that they brought in court are fake, basically. And you remember when Untanzi was on the stand here, and I know accused number 1, Untanzi, there's where Untanzi said, it's fine konke abakwenzile njengoba ubona uJesu esesesiphambanweni, exactly the same thing. Wathi konke osukwenzekile nakonke abangenze kona, kodwa engikwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. Yeah, uNkulunkulu kodwa engikwazi ukuthi uzobabona. Ayayibhlungu leyo nto guys. Tanziwa abantu. People making up stories. And kumanje, at the back of their minds, they're going to get away with this. While ngapha uSifiso Meyiwa is also saying ukuthi hayibo guys, angimufuni mina uBrigadier Bongani Gininder. At first I trusted him and wangishintshela njengoba ubona utshwala eswini. He became another person. Kanti ubhizi ntshontshana ney'tatement zomhlophe. Futhi he actually put it out there uSifiso Meyiwa ukuthi unamanga uBrigadier Bongani Gininder. He never sugarcoated it. Washo nje straight wathi nje ngifuna ukumazi lowo muntu loyo.